Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay. So let's start with the chapter number 14, the magic drink. We know water is very important for us, all of us, and water is an important natural renewable source. Like air and soil, water is also essential for life on earth, and it is important for the plants, human beings, animals, and even microbes need water to live. So what are the sources of water? Most of the water present on the earth is found in oceans and seas, but the water present in the ocean and sea, it is saline water and it is not suitable for drinking. Only 3% of the water on the earth is fit for drinking purpose. It is called as fresh water and is found in rivers, lakes, ponds and glacier. It is also called as surface water. Fresh water is also found deep inside the earth in the spaces between the soil and the rocks, and it is known as groundwater. The top level of groundwater is called water table. Now, how this water is stored? In the cities, water reaches our homes through pipeline. Water from a river or underground water is purified. First of all, it is purified and made fit for drinking purpose, and then it is stored in the large tank. Electric pumps are also used at pump station to transfer the water from these tank to our homes through pipelines. However, there are still many villages and urban slums of India where women have to walk very far to fetch water from the villages well or the local hand pump. They stand for many hours in long queues and wait for their turn to fill buckets and pots with water for their daily use. How water is extracted? How groundwater is extracted? No, rainwater not only fills ponds and lakes but is absorbed into the ground to form an underground reserve of water. So human beings use this water by digging wells and by using hand pumps. People use groundwater for irrigation, for drinking purpose, for their domestic need also. Many homes and villages have their own wells. Some villages have a common well for all the people. Water is drawn from the well using a pulley system. It is a small wheel over